So, good morning, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Hi, Pungodi, Himanshu, Naga, and Sheikh. Very good morning.
Good
Shall we
morning,
start
ma'am.
today's session? Good morning. Yes. Yes. First, let me take what we learned yesterday. We learned what is data and our overview of data analysis, like what it is, why it is, and how we are going to do it, right? And then we have learned course modules. What are the course modules we are covering, and inside that, what is the course duration? Right. And also we learned, I believe we also learned something called job opportunities, also multiple job opportunities you can apply for. Yes or no? This is also something we have learned yesterday. Multiple job opportunities. Okay. After this, we have learned what is the class timings. The actual class timings are same 10:30 to 11:30. And what are the advantages of joining this course? Yes, you have an advantage of joining this course by giving, recording access. That's a good thing, right? Then we are did a conclusion to it. Then we are going to do a conclusion that we did it, and we thought of completing entire learning process flow yesterday, but it didn't happen. So we are going to start off with entire learning process flow, and we are going to take everything in a, like, what is Power BI components, user interface, and everything. Correct. Fine. Let's get started now. First, we'll go with entire learning process flow. It's already ready in PPT. I'll just take for a 2 minutes a walkthrough of it. So the first thing is we have classroom session. The theory subject means it does have everything. This only covers everything like your theory, practicals, classwork, homeworks, everything, even notes, everything is covered in here. So once it is done, you're eligible for assignments. Assignments is something you're supposed to do it individually. Assignments is something you're supposed to do it individually. Then you have projects. Project is something, it's a real world data analysis projects. You have overall three projects, and the project's name is, let me put down in a notepad. Okay. The projects you have is finance and banking, the most important project, healthcare, then your e-commerce and retail. These are the most important three projects. Okay, we're going to learn. Then you have your resume building and interview questions, which will help you to build your career, right? So we help you on that. We give many sample resumes. We also do your resume corrections. At the same time, we are also going to give you something called interview questions. How can you straightforward answer the business requirement and everything. Then your mock interviews, placement assistance. Okay, mock interview and placement assistance, which will help you to land in your dream job. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Clear on it? Clear on it, everyone. Are we good? Pungodi, Himanshu, Naga, Rakesh, Sainath, Sheikh. So this is about your entire learning process flow. I can see if you new joinees are there, guys, please go through the recordings. Please go through the yesterday's recording. I will request DurgaSoft to post yesterday's recording, whatever we have learned yesterday's recordings in the chat box, so that you guys can go and directly access it. Okay, directly access it. without your day one demo, it's difficult to do a decision making. Okay. So now let's get started. This is about learning process flow. Do you have any doubts? Yes. Naga, Rakesh, Pungodi, Himanshu. You have any questions for this learning process flow? Sainath, Sheikh. No doubts. Can I get at least a thumbs up? Can I get at least a thumbs up? No doubts. Very good. Thank you. And now I'm going to your uh, notepad back and I'm saying we are going to learn. Sorry, guys. Yes, now we are going to learn Power BI components, Power BI interface, and practicals on Power BI. Okay, let me take a Excel sheet. So before that, I wanted to ask a question. So I'm expecting answer from everyone, like Himanshu, Pungodi, whosoever is present yesterday, right? From the people who present yesterday. Yesterday, I was seeing some entire life cycle of data analysis steps. So I'm gonna give you a clue. The first step he involves here is collection of data. So followed by this, we have another five steps. Can I know what is they? Can I know what are they? Yes. What are they? What are those steps involved? First, we collect data. What is the second and third one? Yes, Pungodi,
Uh,
Hima.
we have to design and maintain the data.
What it is?
First, we have to collect the data. After that, we have to maintain it, and we have to analyze and interpret
Okay,
the data.
analyzing is the right one. Fourth point.
Data
Then,
model.
very good. That's the third point.
Mm.
And
Then data modeling. After that, we
Data,
have to
data,
visualize.
data cleaning.
very
Sec-
good. That
Second
is
point,
your transformation. Very good. So
transformation
you
and
guys
cleaning.
remember. Yes, you guys remember almost all points. Finally, what it is?
Visualizing, and after that, publishing.
Perfect. Thank you. You guys really remember the thing, so you're connecting to the demo. That's good. So these are the steps involved in data analysis lifecycle. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect this with Power BI components. So you guys have to understand here is the main important tool we work here is Power BI. So Power BI is sharing two interfaces we are going to look. So one is your Power BI desktop. Once you join, first we are going to learn is Power BI Desktop, followed by that Power BI Services. Power BI Services is a cloud platform where it will important for doing collaboration and sharing purpose. So these two interfaces we are going to learn. This two. Okay. Now inside this desktop you have few more components. Let's have a look into it. Let's have a look into it. Okay. Components of Power BI. Okay, so the first component here we have is the first component is Power Query, which is basically used to perform your data cleaning. So this tool is known as ETL tool, which is helpful to extract, transform, and load data. Extract, transform, and load data. Okay, Power Query is useful to extract, transform, load, and at the same time, it is useful to do your data cleaning. And it is the language it will write here is M language. M language. Power Query, which is known as your ETL tool, which is useful to do perform your data cleaning, and the language it write here is M language. So this is the first component we are going to learn. This is the first component we are going to learn. Okay, and this, sorry guys, let me put it this way. Okay, and second component we are going to learn here is Power Pivot. Power Pivot is mostly used to build your model. So we already know what is data modeling, combining multiple relationship combining multiple tables having a common column is known as your data modeling. So in Power Pivot, the language we use here is DAX language. It's a DAX programming language. The full form of it is data analysis expression. This is basically used to analyze and give output for the business requirement. Give output for the business requirement. And here itself, we also do a modeling. This is important for understanding modeling, and it will also important for giving answers to the business problems. That's what your Power Pivot will do. And finally, you have Power View. Power View is important to represent anything in pictorial chats or whatever it is. So the pictorial representation, maybe you use chats, okay, graphs, line chat, all chats, maybe your cards, tiles, we call it as tiles, dashboard, reports, all this which is in a pictorial representation means directly for your visualization purpose we use Power View. And finally we have Power BI services. This doesn't belong to your Power BI desktop, but it is one of the component and separate user interface for in your Power BI, which is useful for your collaboration and publishing purpose. So this is a cloud services where you can directly deliver your output to the end user. Okay, one last time I'll repeat here. Power Query is useful for collecting data and also for transformation of data. Power Pivot is useful for data modeling and also for analyzing data. Power View is useful for visualization and services is useful for publishing. And guys, collection of data can be done not only in Power Query, you can also collect direct raw data from desktop and also from services. Okay, this is also there. You will understand when you join. Now here, let me remove this and I'll reconnect this like this. So now all these components, this one, and even this one belongs to your Power BI desktop. Okay, let me know, do you have any doubts here? Any doubts here? Let me take 2 minutes pause and let me know, do you have any doubts?
So are we using these components, all components,
Yes, yes,
or we can
yes.
use that Power BI services only, like, or Power BI desktop only, like to collect and transform and
Within
visualize.
Power BI desktop only, you will have all these components. Without these
Okay.
components, the Power BI desktop is not there. Power BI desktop is a software where you go and work on it. Inside this desktop, you are able to see these components wherein you can perform all other things like collecting, transformation, analyzing, modeling, and all.
Publishing also we can do it from Power BI desktop, right?
We publish from desktop to services. So actually where it is getting published to your services. So from
Mm.
there the client can access. But
So
from
Power,
desktop, the report you have in you build your report in desktop and from there
mm.
you publish it to services.
So we need to use Power BI services tools also, right? Or no need?
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay. Right.
I'm
Okay. Right.
I'm going to teach you guys real time. So Power BI desktop is completely free. But services is something chargeable. But I have an idea where I can go and make you guys work on it at least for 60 days free trial. So we basic you asked, so I'm showing. So
Mm,
here this is a desktop. Let's understand. We build something, a
mm,
report. If you simply go and publish it. Okay. I already have a ready-made um means I already kept my services ready, but in your case, I will go and help you out to build a report and publish it. 1 second. So this is how my services is up. In this, there are multiple workspaces. Maybe I'll go with this training and learning workspace. So
Mhm.
this report, whatever I built in my dashboard, right?
Mhm.
Can you see the report and dashboard? Whatever I have built my dashboard in Power BI desktop, right? This is something I'm publishing to where services. Now we'll open and let's see. So as I said, services is a cloud. So that where you have a URL link got generated. And yes, this is how your services will look like. So whatever you prepared in your desktop, you're publishing it here. Any of the
So,
workspace we
so,
create and we generate.
so Power BI services is like a Git repository, right?
Get data can be done in desktop in your services also, but this is a place where you can do a collaboration. See, Imanshu, you have a Power BI desktop in your
Mm-hmm.
local system. Okay, you
Okay.
work your reports. If someone asks you that, how can you send? You can do a Gmail or maybe in PPT, you can export to PPT and you can send. That is fine.
Okay.
But that is
Okay.
not a technical thing. Technical thing is everyone will have cloud access in their own systems, Power BI
Yes.
services. You have, I have, Pungodi have. So for everyone, I'm going to give one workspace access. Let it be training and learning, whatever it is, one workspace access I'm giving. Now, whatever you post inside this workspace, whatever you
Mm-hmm.
post in this inside this workspace, Pungodi can see, Naga can see, I can also say, everyone can see. Because everyone is having access. And this is a cloud. They don't have to get your laptop. They can have this. Understood? In one line,
Oh,
very fast, I told you. But when we start off the classes, you will get a clarity.
okay, okay, fine.
This is good, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Any doubts from anyone, guys? Any doubts anyone is having? Okay, fine. Now I'll go with the next one called your uh, let me go back to your notepad. So we are done with entire learning process flow, this projects, Power BI components, and user interface. Now let's go and understand the last part, practicals on Power BI. Okay, so let's do this practicals on Power BI. So what we are going to do here is we are going to build a quick dashboard, quick dashboard using Power BI. Maybe within 5 to 6, or we can call it as a ready-made dashboard also. Okay. So for this, what we are going to do is the first thing we are going to use Power BI desktop. Okay. The tool we use here is, let me start with like this. First, data source we use here is data source we use here is CSV file, flat file we are using, okay, data source. And then database we use here. Okay. So data source is CSV file. In real time, I'm going to explain you CSV file, flat files, Azure DevOps, MySQL, SQL Server, Microsoft platform, Fabric, like Power BI semantic models, multiple things. How do you get data? Real time thing I'm going to show you. Then the database we are using today is Sample Superstore. Sample Superstore. Okay, sample superstore. And the tool we are using here to build this dashboard is which tool? Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop we are going to use. And then after this Power BI desktop, how are we going to build? What are the KPIs inside into it? Before we do, let's complete this 3 points. Practically, we complete this 3 points and then we'll go with what all KPIs we wanted. Okay. So let me go to a new Power BI desktop. I'll just write click on it and I'll generate a new Power BI desktop. Okay, I'm generating a blank report. And yes, this is a place where we build a report. Guys, I am not taking an entire walkthrough. What is this canvas, report view, model view, table view? I'm not taking a walkthrough because it will take at least 20 to 30 minutes. I'm just directly going and building a quick dashboard. Whenever we start off our sessions, then I'm going to take a walkthrough. Okay, so first let me go and get data. So this is a Power BI desktop we are going to work on, and let me go and get data, right? I'll say get data. Okay, I said I'm using CSV file. See, under data source, I'm using a which is file, CSV file, and I'm going to use sample superstore. 1 second. It's not coming. Superstore. I have a global superstore, but I should get sample superstore as well. Just give me a moment. Maybe the sample superstore is in Excel file, I believe. So I'll go and get this orders. So both are same. No, this is completely different. Okay, guys, just a moment. I'll use Excel workbook. Mhm. So let's change our data source to Excel. Uh, so data source I'm using today is Excel, and my database is sample superstore. So you can see a preview here. Among them, I'm just clicking orders. Among them, I'm clicking orders. Among them, I'm clicking orders. So you can see here row ID, order ID, date, customer ID, customer name, segment, and so on. And guys, this is already a cleansed data set. This is already a cleansed data set. Oh, where it has been gone? 1 second. I might have cancelled it. I'm sorry. We are getting into trouble today. So sorry with the semantic models. Let me go and do it one more time. Yes. So here is the preview, guys. You have two options. One is to load. When you load, it will go to Power BI desktop. And when you transform, it will go to Power Query. And why do we use Power Query? Power Query, we use it for a cleaning purpose. But this is already a good data set. It's cleansed and ready to do my visualization. And today's topic is I'm directly getting into visualization. We are not doing DAX, we are not doing cleaning, we are not doing modeling, we are not doing anything because all those things need time. And in our demo session, we don't have that much time. So that is why I choose the topic called visualization. So I am just loading it. Okay, so when I load, the data is getting loaded into your Power BI desktop here. When I load, the data is getting loaded into your Power BI desktop here. Okay, so let us see How does it look like? You have a orders table. Inside it, what are columns are there? You can see all the columns here. If you wanted to, so inside category, what is there? You can go to this table view, and table view will clearly tell you what information is there. See, you have order ID, order date, customer names, segments. How many types of segments are there? Click on this drop down, it will tell you. Okay, there are 3 types of segments, and you have city, you have country, you have state, you have region, you have category, subcategory, products, sales, quantity, discount, profit, and so on. Correct. Now, I'm very much familiar with this data. Guys, everything is here only. Basically, whenever we build a model, whenever we create, customers' data will be in one table, dimensions in another table, measures in another table, like that it will be. But here, it has all kind of categorical data, product data, state, place data like country, city, and customer data, ship order data, everything is here. So based on this, I wanted to build few KPIs. So what I wanted to build is I wanted to do a sales analysis dashboard. So I'm going with my notepad. I'm going with my notepad. So first thing I wanted to do is sales analysis dashboard. So let me go and give a title. The title here I'm giving is sales analysis dashboard. So only I'm taking sales here and remaining dimensions. So first KPI I would like to go with this. I wanted to see region wise sales. For this, I prefer a pie chart because I wanted to see it in a percentages. Second KPI I wanted to go is I wanted to see your something called we have categories, right? Category wise sales, category wise sales. This in your bar chart. Then I also wanted to see subcategory wise sales, subcategory wise sales. This in your funnel chart. Then I wanted to go with month wise sale, month wise sale. This is in your area chart. Just I'm preferring 3 to 4 charts. Along with that, I would like to go with cards. We call it as a tiles. So here I choose total sales, total profit, total quantity, discount, and so on. And so on. Okay, so this is what I wanted to do. Let's begin. Let's begin along with title. Okay, I'm going back, and the feature I'm going to use here is okay. The feature to build this dashboard, I'm going to use this Q&A feature. Okay, Q&A feature. Q&A feature I'm going to build. So using this Q&A feature, I'm not going to do a manual thing. It might take 30 to 45 minutes, but I'm going to use Q&A feature to build my dashboard 5 to 7 minutes. So everything is ready. Look at the time. It is showing 11:05. We'll quickly build our dashboard. Okay. So Q&A is a beautiful feature. Whatever you're asking the business, it is going and helping you to do it. Like, sorry, whatever you're asking the Power BI to do it, it will only do it. See, basically, I wanted to build a region-wise sales. How I do is, I'll go click on this region, then I click on this sales, and then I choose pie chart. If something is there, I have to do. So this many steps I have to do. But instead, I go use Q&A. Q&A is going to do everything. How do I build my Q&A? The first step in my canvas, anywhere you double click on it. Okay, so it's setting up your Q&A. Now anywhere you build, double click, the Q&A will appear. There you can go and give your requirement, it will answer you. Simple. First thing, I want region wise sales. I'll just write region sales, and I say I wanted in a pie chart. That's it. Okay, and I'll search for it. I'll search for it. Automatically it appeared. Just I'll pin it. Wow. Just I'll pin it. Okay, and I'm just placing it here. I'm just placing it here. Okay, and second thing, second method to get Q&A is I'll go and get it from under visualization. This is how the Q&A is. Okay, here I'll go and say I wanted category wise sales. Okay, I'll say category and I'll say sales and I'll say bar chart. Bar chart. I'll search for it and I'll just pin it. So I got my bar chart. Next, I'll go, another method I have is control plus forward slash. What it is, guys? It is nothing but I'll write down here control plus forward slash. Control plus forward slash. This is the third method of getting your Q&A. So again, I'll go here. This time I want subcategory wise, sales. I'll search for it and I got it, but I need a funnel chat. I'll go and say funnel and search for it and it will get converted and I'll build a chat and I'll just get it here. Okay, I'll get it here. Okay, perfect. I got it here. Next, I'll do double click. Double click is easy for me onto the canvas. What else is it next to chat? I wanted the next chat is funnel chat is done. The next chat I wanted month wise sales. So I'll go and say month sales, and area chart. And I'll search for it. Wow, this is also done. Perfect. So all my four chats, I'm done. All my four chats, I'm done. So for this adjustment, yes, it will take time. Okay, perfect. And this leftover space I'll use for cards. This time instead of using Q&A, I'll go and click a card. Okay, I'll just try to put it like this. Very 5 minutes, no? So that's why I haven't took multiple KPIs. I know already 4 minutes is passing. That's fine. I'll just copy and paste it 4 times. Just I'll arrange it like this. Wow. So it's gonna be very much easy for me to build this cards as well. I'm not even highlighting anything called your um borders, no highlighting, no formatting I'm doing, just a sample, very quick dashboard. If I do all those things, it will go up to 20 to 40 minutes. I'm not doing that. Okay. So first I need sales. I'll click on sales. Next I go here. I need profit. I'll go and click on it. Next I go here. I need discount. I click on it. Next I need quantity. I go and click on it. That's it. I got all of them. Finally, leftover is your title, text box I'll use, and I'll just say sales financial dashboard. Sorry, sales analysis dashboard. Just you put it in the middle, bold, increase the size to 20, and yes, let's see. Just put it above. You can still increase to, wow, my dashboard is done. Some color will give, some background color will give, then it will get highlighted. I'll go to my view tab. and I'll go and select. You can go and select anything like this. I'll go and select this one, and yes, my dashboard is done. So I said we started 11:05, it's 11:11, so 6 minutes it has took. That's
From
completely fine. This is a
from
quick
where
dashboard. Yes,
that 2.33 M, what it is called? Like it is card, right?
2.33 millions is known as,
Like,
yeah, it's a card, the entire total sales. For
from
you
where you
guys,
have
I'll
added?
from here I have added from
Okay.
visualization.
We will add that card and we will write that thing. It will come, right?
Just add a card and just click
Mm,
on it. See, for example, I remove it.
mm,
I added a card, it appeared
mm,
here. Then I'll
mm.
go and say sales. Cards will take a single value, that to your aggregated value, and that's it.
Okay. Okay.
Um, Maybe little space I'll make and I'll add one slicer so that maybe I'll go with some category slicer. Category slicer. It's not there a part of this thing, but I'm just adding it now. See if I click on, okay, if I click on furniture, the sales is going according to furniture. If I click on office appliance, the sales is going according to office appliance. If I click on technology, see, these values are getting in K, means in thousands. And if I say erase this filter, it's in million. If I go and use anything, the output in thousands because it is one category, right? So this is how very quickly you can build your dashboard. Yes, happy with the dashboard. Within 5 minutes, I did it, guys. Yes or no? Pungodi, Himanshu, Naga, Rakesh. What we want more than automations where we can do an easy method. Yes or no? This is a basic and ready-made dashboard. I just wanted to know how do you guys felt about this practical? Is it for worth for your demo sessions? I just wanted to know. Yes. Sorry, your voice is not coming. Pungodi? Oh, I have more 15 minutes time left for the day. Do you have any questions you can talk? Meanwhile, I would like to show you how much advanced level of DAX or how much advanced level of visualization I will be showing you. Because we promised 3 years of experience knowledge, then what I can do for you guys. So meanwhile, any doubts? Any doubts?
No, not yet.
Okay. So till then, this Power BI gets open. Okay, it got open any which ways. So guys, you guys can see we actually start with basics to many custom visuals. It can go up to 30 plus visuals. It can go up to 30 plus
ఆంటీ
visuals.
చెప్పండి ఆంటీ ఏమంటే థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తారు
Sorry, Pungori, I have muted you. Uh, this is DAX once again. I wanted visualizations. So this is not right one. So once again, let me open the other one. Okay, here it is, visualization 6 p.m. Let me open. Okay, you can see, right? 30 plus visuals I'm teaching here, 33. So 30 plus from basic to custom, 30 plus visuals we are going to learn. So you can check the index. This is how the index look like. All basic charts with some dynamic custom visuals. So I'll go with the custom tooltip first, which is the easiest one to explain. So basically, if I go with the manual tooltip, right? Manually, any chart, if I go over on anything, see it is saying Punjab sum of sales is this much, quantity is this much, and profit is this much. So if I
Correct.
over on anything, it will talk about manual tooltip. But if I go with a custom tooltip, right? This is going to talk about visual over visual. See, you have your Washington. In Washington, when I over on it, it is showing another visual here. So this is known as custom visual. This is known as custom visual. So it is saying the state is Washington, profit is 33.4K, sales is 138.6K, and profit by category is shared in donut chat. Among them, technology is taking 44.96 percentage, office appliances is taking 33.5 percentage, and furniture is 21.54 percentage. So this is what we are getting. Right. So like this,
Yeah.
it is going to show you custom visual.
So,
Yes.
I have one question. Like, you told that we will go through that 30 visual tools, visualization, right?
Mm-mm.
Uh, so it will come from data only, na? Like data,
Yes.
then to visualization, right?
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
30 we will do like 30 exercises, right?
30 visualizations only. Correct.
Okay,
30
okay.
plus. You can see here 33, right? So it can be
Mhm.
30, 31, 32, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So again, I'm going back and I'm explaining. So this how we'll put a custom tooltip like this separately, and we will be going. See, I think it's 1 second. Yes. So this is how we go and do the custom tooltip, guys. Chat over the chat. Okay. Now let me explain you few more things. Maybe dynamic XY axis, dynamic axis, which is showing. Guys, are you getting any background noise from my side? Himanshu, can you confirm quickly
No.
from the beginning, right? Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
No.
So here you have a chat here. You have a chat here, right? Now, within this space, we are going to build 20 visuals. We are going to build 20 visuals. So the first are 5 dimensions. Next are 4 measures. 5 dimensions, 4 measures. So let's understand. I'll just go and click country and I'll click COGS. So it is showing total COGS by country, total cost of goods by country. And I'll click on profit, total profit by country, total sales by country, total units sold by country. Then I click on month name. Okay, total cost of goods by month name, profit by month name, sales by month name, units sold by month name. Discount band, products, segment, total units by segment, total units sold by product. Like this, 5 into 4, 20 visuals you can see here within this space. So if we followed some steps, this is something a fresher cannot do. You need experienced and train and also a real-time trainer like me who can help you out. So here, this is how you can save lot of storage and performance and everything. So this is dynamic X and dynamic Y axis. Both are getting dynamically changed. For some reason you wanted to fix your Y axis and change your X axis, then we go with some other method. And in this method, the color of bars will also change. See, here I have 6 or 5, only 5 things I can see. Profit is fixed. You can see country, profit by country, discount band by country. The color is getting changed. Month name by country, product, segment. The colors are getting changed. Yes or no? Yes. This is how we are going to learn. Not only this, many things are there as such. For example, if I go with toggle, If I click on a back button, it will show profit by country. If I click on a reset button, it will show sales by product. So sales by products are in your bar chart and profit by button is in your pie chart within same space. So for this, I might have used some process and I build it. And if I have to do some manual dashboard, this is how it looks like. See the manual dashboard, profit analysis dashboard. This will take me obviously manually I go. It was very much inclined with the borders. Some highlights I've given. Proper conditional formatting is done here. Proper thing are done. See the slicers also arranged very much properly. There is no background color given, but still it's highlighted very good. See your title has given with separate background color. What are the RGB hex codes you have to use? How you have to deal with? You have a home button. If you click here, you'll go to your index page. So that's how many things have been done here in your dashboard. Not only one, means of course one and two dashboards I can show. More than that, I will make you guys build dashboards like this. Say if you go here, there are multiple dashboards again. This is one dashboard. This is another dashboard. Different methods where you can. These are the slicer only where you can change it to a look like a tile. See, yeah, the chat is getting changed beautifully, and even all these are getting changed, right? So you have some dashboards here. Let me click on it. Sub dashboard 2. You have a Pareto chart explanation about that Pareto chart, and this is same thing again. So you have a gauge chart. If you say verified, what is the source verified, not verified? How the total payment is verification status increasing, decreasing. See inside donor chart, another card we have taken. Multiple things we are going to see. Area chart, see, chat over the chart, decomposition tree, all these things. This is related to project, but moreover, you have many dashboards. And see, this is a also very good chat. Some custom chat we got it here, and this is a play access. See how the rent, own, others, mortgages playing across the years. See the years are getting changed from here 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right. If you want, you can keep it even your month wise also as you want. And like that many things. So tool tips separately we do and we add it. So many things, not exactly one thing, but many things you are supposed to do here. So we go and teach you very dynamically all things which is related to real time. And coming to services also, we are going to learn everything. How do you give a dashboard? What is the workspaces and how can you share workspace? I'll arrange you guys work on this Power BI services also, right? Types of refreshers, row level securities, gateways, everything is covered in services so that you can go and add 3 to 4 years of experience, knowledge, and you can directly get a job. Trust me, if you guys are working along with me, definitely you guys are going to get a job without any doubt. I actually transformed many students' career. Maybe I haven't come into the market so much yet, but yes, I have transformed many students. Recently, also, one student from DURGASOFT itself, okay? One student, because after you guys join, no, after you guys join, no, you will get my WhatsApp access also. They are going to give you my WhatsApp access also. Maybe any emergency time, you can go and connect with me. We haven't showed her placements, but yes, we haven't showed her placements. But yes, she only got a job by her own. You can see she's Prajisha, one of my students. She belongs to Durgasoft only morning, same batch 10:30, which is completed, and you guys are going to join the same batch. Okay, it says 10 a.m., but it's a 10:30 batch. Not 10 a.m. batch, 10:30 batch. So Prajisha, she just texted, ma'am, I'm happy to inform you that I got placed in Tech Mahindra. 18th October was her joining date, and she was currently assigned to a project with Google client as a data analyst for Google Maps related project. She said, thanks for the insights. Your classes really helped me a lot to crack interview and got me 3 offers. Thank you. And then said, congratulations, that's all. So that's how we were able to take. She also got three offers, and trust me, she didn't completed even project. She was doing some assignments. She done with her course, and she got it because she did her hard work. It's not only me. See, I'll give you right data, right assignments, right projects, right content, everything. But practice is in your hands. You practice, you hard work. Definitely, you can upgrade your skills and get your job. Got it? And yes, that's all from my side. Any
Yeah,
doubts, please go ahead and ask, guys.
yeah. One thing, Sravanthi.
Yes, guys.
Is she fresher or experienced?
I exactly don't know. I believe she's a fresher only. Prajisha is a fresher only, I believe. Because I deal with multiple students. I deal with 100 plus students in a day. So I don't remember because she joined. If I take your introduction after 4 5 months, I'll forget, right? But I believe, I remember she as a fresher. That's it.
Yeah.
She
One
is
more
fresher.
question. How much experience can I get once I join this course after the course completion?
30, sorry, not 30, 3 years of experience knowledge you can get.
Yeah. How much AI is involved in this course?
AI is less, AI is less.
Because of
Um,
this, days, AI, anywhere we see the AI is
See, it's a
involved in
traditional.
all
So she
projects.
joined at June. She joined at June and she got a job by. She joined at a June and she got a job by November. Can you see 7th November? Means June, July, August, September, October, November. 16th June she have joined. Okay, so somewhere she text her first message to me is in July. Okay, July maybe the classes started. July, August, September, October, November. Means 5 to 6 months she has taken to get a job. And I'm not sure she's a fresher or not. I don't remember, but I believe she's a fresher. That's it. Okay, answer for your question. And
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
Imanshu, what is your question? Other question? Okay, Naga is asking, right? Sorry, Naga.
Yeah, my
Yes.
question, another question is like how much AI is involved in this
See, we are
data?
teaching you entire traditional method, Naga, because a manual traditional method is important. How are we going to deal with this data? When you learn starting only, no, you can go and build it. So AI, showing AI, I can say this is how you can build dashboards, but it's easy. See, I have taught you Q&A. This is also AI only, but what have you learned? Okay, using Q&A, we can do this, but Q&A, I've given you answer. You don't know what it is, right? Simply typing is not right. So first we learn about data. We do cleaning, we do transformation, everything. Manual work is manual means traditional method of learning is much involved. Later on, 1 or 2 classes, I can use ChatGPT or something AI tools, and I can let you know how can you automate your dashboard. Trust me, you can use them, but you cannot rely on AI because AI does mistakes. Any financial means any business who is dealing with monetary funds is not going to depend completely on AI and going to hand over work to them. It's not possible. They will make
Yeah.
mistakes, but humans, we do our kind of testing, right? So less involved. I can say not much, but
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, one more question. This is like personal. Actually, I have
Mm-hmm.
experience like in banking and IT mixed experience I have.
Wow.
So
Okay.
yeah, recently I laid off. So I'm thinking which one is the best for me. So I attended for this. How can I help
IT
it?
sector, undoubtedly, right? Package, no, even compared to your banking sector, you have a very good package in IT sector only. Let it be
Yes.
data analyst, data scientist, data engineering, anything. But you have a good package here, good future here. Banking, I don't think you'll have that much package, that good future. Trust me. So go with the IT and choose your tools wisely. In IT, what have you did before?
Before before joining my IT, I was worked at Kotak Mahindra Bank like branch banking.
Acha. In IT, you did anything or not? Means
Yeah, I
any
did 2.7 years. I worked in MNC and then laid off.
Acha, acha, acha. 2 months only you work, so you don't have
No,
much
no,
knowledge.
2.7 years I worked.
2.7 years. Okay, okay. What
Yeah.
what what have you did in your IT? Data analyst,
There
business
a
analyst?
little bit Python development, like
Okay.
small jiras, like P2, P3 jiras.
So,
A little bit involved
2.7
development
years you
and
have a
production
genuine
support.
experience, Naga. I
Yeah.
understood. And you're getting this knowledge and you're going to show all these projects in your resume. This time you will get multiple offers from multiple organizations. Trust me, you will make it. And if one company is doing a layoff, also another offer will be ready for you. I'll make sure I'll prepare you guys in a such a way. You have seen Prajisha. See, I cannot go reviews and check, but it is a recent contact she shared. So I was quickly sharing. Not that you people can look at her and you can join, just but uh, uh, I'm trying to keep my promise. I will give you 3 to 4 years experience knowledge. 3 to 4 years. And I proved just by showing you visualizations. And I can also show you DAX as well, but we have very less time. Tomorrow I'll go with it. So, this much knowledge you're getting only from 2.5 to 3 months course is really good thing. Correct. So
Yes.
my thing here is you go and join. From there, I'm going to take care of you. Okay.
Yeah.
You guys are also having my chat, right? I'm going to take care of you guys.
Yeah. Why I'm worrying, like I have a domain knowledge, but I don't have that
That's
much
good.
technical.
That's good. Few people don't have domain knowledge, and for a data analyst, domain knowledge is important. Do you know when
Yeah.
you don't understand your domain, don't understand your business, you cannot do. You know very advanced DAX, you are very much good at critical thinking, but you don't understand business, then what? That is a more important thing. So you're very good at it. You have a experience. You can convert that experience into this data analysis. You already know Python. That's good. And you add these tools, Power BI, SQL, and you just get into Power BI. Trust me, Power BI you're enjoying, guys, more than Python. I'm a trainer of Python too, but I enjoy a lot with Power BI. Yeah.
Yeah. One more question. Currently, are you working?
Yes.
Completely training.
No, no, no. I'm still working.
Okay.
Yes.
Because
I
of
work.
if
I
you're still
also say
working,
I work
the
for AMD
trend.
organization right now. So before it was different organization. It was HSBC. Later on, I have switched to AMD. So maybe very less organization I switched, but in one organization I was sitting 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, like that with different roles. Like I do the transform, I do migrations. Current organization I completed doing migrating from Tableau to Power BI, and we are maintaining that dashboards, and we are looking into something new projects and something is going on. So besides I'm a business analyst too. I did a development, I did a analysis, I did a migrations, I did a lot. I used to give global trainings in EMD, so that's where training is my interest. And I just even started training outside my organization. Inside organization, I used to build and I used to train. Outside organization, also I'm doing it from 7 years. And it's very close to 8th year now. From next
So,
year onwards, I can say this is 8 years. Yeah.
so
Yeah,
currently you are
great.
working as a data analyst, right?
Business analyst. So I
Business
have very
analyst.
good knowledge in business tech tools also.
So business analyst include Power BI also, or only?
Mm, yes, we do. We do Power BI, more on Power BI, SQL, we do Excel, all the tools we work. We work
So what
Tableau
we need
also.
to do? What we need to do become a business analyst, like Power BI or Excel
All
or
of the
Python?
tools which I'm teaching you today, you have to do all those things and little bit understanding about the business. And the third thing, you should have little bit good English as well. Little
Okay.
bit. Where you, because most of the clients are from abroad only.
Yes.
So far I have worked organizations, and so far I have listened from my students, they are from abroad. So if you are the contact point, right? If something goes wrong, they're going to ask you. If you're a business
Mm.
analyst, you're like front end and also back end. Means you build a reports. Basically, I'm a technical business analyst. I'm not just following that Scrum Agile methodologies and I'll wind up. No, I do also develop reports. So when you go with this, no, your package is very good. You can when you get some experience like 13 years or 12 years, you can expect your CTC up to 40 lakhs, 33 to 40 lakhs. My current company is paying 33 lakhs. One of my colleague, it's not mine. So it's good. AMD also give you a lot many things, you know. They also give you shares as well. Not only AMD, there are many organization. They are going if you are going to become a permanent employee, you are getting lot many perks, a lot many opportunities. So please concentrate on the subject and trust me, you are going to lead a very happy life. Initial days, for me also initially took a lot of time. You know, I used to come home, I used to work midnights also. Laptop is always with you. Sometimes things are very critical. I used to work in midnights, get up early morning. I did lot of hard work, but now it's very easy for me because of my experience. I am training, I'm taking care of my home, I'm also doing a job. It's easy for me because out of experience. When you get some experience, it's easy. You're a fresher, you have to struggle. Struggle for few years, I say 1 or 2 years. That's it. Then later on, it's gonna be very beautiful life, guys. Trust me on that. Start
It
off your
creates
career
exp-
doing it.
yeah, it creates experience. How much package we can climb because of my package is a high package now, so I am asking like that.
What is your package if you're okay to share?
12.44 right now.
You can expect up to 18 lakhs package, 17 to 18 lakhs package, but you should not say 3 years. You should say 5 years or something more than that. You can say last 3 years or last 4 years you did Power BI. Before that, whatever is there, genuine, you can put it. Okay, don't say entire 5 years is Power BI. You can say like this 3, 4 years, but your entire experience should be at least 5 years.
Yeah, can I
Okay.
get that much knowledge here?
17 to 18. Oh, you'll get knowledge definitely from this. There are many students who joined at the age of their 40s, earning even after 20 to 25 lakhs package also. Maybe to upgrade their skills and just like, you know, we have Dr. Pungodi here. She has something research analyst, right, Pungodi? And she just wanted to upgrade her skills because she's using Power BI in her research. So for that case, also 40 plus 40 years experience candidates have joined with me. Many teachers, other teachers have also joined with me, and they have did their transformation in their career. I don't know how much it helpful them, but always the review was good about my training. But only few will share. See, Prajisha shared her, ma'am, I got a job, and she said thanks. But few people will get job, they might not share. But most of them careers have been transformed. I can say that. So for a fresher, Rakesh, if you are a fresher, it will start from 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs, 4 to 6, between 4, 5.5, 6. Very rare cases, it will go 7, Rakesh, but it is 4 to 6. Yeah. Anything else? So you all guys know tomorrow also a free session. Today I was taking practicals, right? Tomorrow I choose to tell you on SQL. That is also important, right? I wanted to tell on SQL. So in SQL, I would like to take something like, you know, first, what is SQL and MySQL, SQL commands is the most important topic I'm going to take up tomorrow. Okay, and SQL background mechanism. Okay, so one topic I choose that is SQL commands. It sounds interesting though, theory. So your concentration is needed. Join tomorrow also. Then you guys can take a call. You guys can take a call and we can continue our regular sessions from Thursday. Okay, guys,
Yeah, sure.
very
Thank
good.
you.
Himanshu, any doubts for the day?
No, no, it's fine.
Still, if you guys have any doubts, you have one more day tomorrow to ask. Okay. So, yes, thanks everyone for joining. Thank you, Imanshu, Naga, Pungodi, Rakesh, Sheikh, and everyone. Any doubts, please feel free to ask, guys. Okay. And you also got a yesterday's recording who have missed, please go through it, content and everything. Any doubts, ask, and we'll wind up session for the day. Have a great day, everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.